Well, you did a good job, Bubs. Did a good job scaring the birds.
Was that funny?
Yeah, he was. Oh no, are you okay? Are you okay? Oh, come here.
I'm okay.
The rocks are very slippery when they're wet.
Yes. I know, and I got my pants wet a little.
I'm.
That's not right.
Hey, Dira. Ah! Ah! Watch, they're gonna come right back. No, you don't have to watch. I was just saying, watch, they'll come right back in a minute. All right, go get Daddy. All right, I'll tell Daddy. Oh no, you can't go without me though. See, let's go. I'm saying, let's go get. I'm gonna go tell Daddy what's going on. What? You can hang out with Mommy. You can hang out with Mommy and Daddy.
I'm teaching her, and I found my friend.
Oh, what were you teaching her?
Yeah, I was teaching her how to make sandcastles in from sand.
That was very nice.
Give me a little slide. Like this. I teach her how to do this. Like that.
Like that?
Yeah.
That's how you do it.
Wait a minute, is that water?
Yeah. That's water.
Wait a minute, I'm gonna touch the water. Is this like a snake? Let me see if this.
Cold, right? I hear you, Rich. Not at Mommy, dude.
Sorry.
Don't throw sand at people, Bubs, ever. There's no reason to ever have to do that, and it can really hurt somebody.
Keep